Hi everyone, good morning. Didn't sleep for a while also. This guy is helping me out now to take it to a service center. You don't have a tram service center in Vizag. I have edited a bit of yesterday's vlog. I have not slept for a second. So now I need to pull up the motorcycle on the trailer. See you guys in some time. Got Maya through this. This is actually a car, flatbed, but we have got Maya now. पकड़ना यार, मेरा बेस्ट काम करके आता हूँ.
See what Junaid bhai is good at. Hey, छोड़ दो, वदिलेंड. Okay.
10:17 AM of 9th of March. At last, some progression after having an adventure yesterday night. A big thumbs up to this guy. Name?
Avinash.
Channel?
Bye Ravi.
Okay. Another YouTuber. He gave me a stay. He stayed with me, and there were a couple of more friends.
Yeah.
Can you tell their names?
One is Kamal, Pawan, Raj, and I forgot the other guy name of Ankit, and other guy is Ankit.
Okay, these are the guys who stayed back with me and helped me for everything. There's one more guy who has been calling up all the tram showrooms to ask for a part. Good, we didn't go to Vijayawada or Bhubaneswar because none of these tram service centers have the part. So rather than transporting it from here to that place or this place, would have been the same. So let's figure it out how to fix this and go carry forward. Bye bye Maya. Feels sad, but we'll get you back on road. Ciao.
Maya is feeling lonely.
Yeah, I'm feeling lonely, man. Okay, the battery is really low. Let me change the battery and get back to you soon. So we have entered Autonagar. Sorry because of the shakiness, because we're in a tempo toy car.
Due to humidity, they are sweated a lot.
Oh man, Vizag. But I love it. There was a question asked in my previous episode. Why do you carry so many tools? Now you got the answer. See, for a technician or a true rider, he carries special tools because he knows that not all the places you can find tools, and you should be able to save her and work on her any point of time. So I think you got the answer. Anything can happen anywhere. Be aware. कुछ नहीं रखा. हमको पता है, हम लोग बुलेट पे काम करते थे ना. पुरानी मैचुलर्स, ट्राम, बुलेट में सब कुछ हम लोग क्या करते थे ना, एक साइड ही सिर्फ हम उसका अनाबॉन्ड, तब हम शलाक लगाते थे. अनाबॉन्ड आने से पहले शलाक आता था. शलाक लगाते थे और एक साइड हम लोग क्या करते थे ना, ये साइड ग्रीस लगा के मारते थे, क्योंकि अगर गलती करते हैं ना
हाँ।
तो वापस खोलने के लिए आसान है, पैकिंग ना फटे। अगर पैकिंग फट गई और उस्ताद है ना गिन के रखता था पैकिंग। पता चल गया एक पैकिंग कम है तो हर एक लड़के को मार पड़ता था, वो भी स्क्रू ड्राइवर के मुट्ठी से या पेट्रोल पाइप से या एक्सीलरेटर केबल से। समझ में बात?
हाँ समझ गया।
सीखी हुई बात आज भी चल रही है हमारे साथ। छोटे छोटे चीजें हैं।
हाँ।
Shall I show you who is the culprit over here? This particular thing. The shifter spring. Over here, it's all good. But when you are seeing this rivet, can you see this particular part? Let me focus it. Can you see this particular part? Can you see this? This is the shaft which shifted the gear. The spring is all good, still like brand new. The only problem is, can you see here? Yeah. Can you see this? Okay. This particular shaft has to be fixed here. Has to come like this. This is how it should be. This rivet is just opened up, so I need to go and at least I'll get it welded right round. This is fine. That's a very good news. I just have to weld this and see you guys later. Let's see what happens. Surprise, guys. She's all good to go. I just need to fix the clutch plates and I'm ready for the journey. See you on road. You know the best part is it just took how many hours? Less than 2 hours to finish it, which more than 48 hours I'm over here. Huh? This is the right tool. Just for one tool, which I'll show you to you. This is the thing. Thank you, Tramp Bhuvaneshwar, for trusting me and sending me the tool. I'll get you this tool back. And now, I'll show it to you. Check out this. It was not returning back previously. Now it is returning back. And thank you, Speed Rabbit Customs. And by the way, it doesn't end there. They have prepared biryani for us. Then, apart from that, there are two people.
Hey.
No, first, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Satya.
Satya.
Great fan of Junaid Bhai. Okay, sorry.
This is Satya, who rides a.
Electroglide.
Can you just explain him? Explain me.
I've imported this bike from Qatar. It's a 1998 Electroglide and it runs on an Evolution motor, not a twin cam. Old school. And I love this bike.
It's a fantastic looking, elegant bike, dude. What about you, sir?
I'm Vijay. I'm a follower and subscriber of Junaid Bhai since he started Art of Motorcycles vlog in YouTube.
Thank you.
And I
Forget about my other motorcycle. Just talk about yourself and your motorcycle.
Yes, I ride a GT and a Himalayan.
Okay.
I belong to a club in Vizag Royals. We started the club in 2009. That's it. Thank you.
So next time, whenever you are in Vizag, you know whom and all to meet. And for Royal Enfield, Vijay, Harleys and vintage motorcycles, and any custom work, so Mr. Raju. Let's go and eat. I need to sleep and get ready and go fast tomorrow. Hey guys, it's 2:47
In the morning.
in the morning. It's AM. My eye is all set. Everything is working fine. Test loaded. And thank you all for bearing me and helping me out. See you guys tomorrow.